It's Vlogmas! Good morning, good morning! It is the 9th of December. Let's have a look and see what's in today's thing. Here we go on my thing, advent calendar. So she's done a little wooden tree. Oh, I love that. That looks so cool, doesn't it? Woo! And then I think I've got a Christmas tree decoration. Actually, you can see it better if I do that. So that is a little Christmas tree decoration. That's really cute. Thanks, Mom. So what am I going to do today? What am I going to wear today? Well, having got that coat yesterday, I feel very much in the Isabel Marant kind of vibe. So I think that is the way I'm going to go today. So I'm going to have a look through my wardrobe and then you will see a transformation from little Santa from work to Isabel Marant style. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to do that. Okay, so today's outfit, as you saw, feeling a little bit Isabel Marant, so let's channel a little bit of the 80s. I rolled up my jeans. I might just put them down one roll. I think I may have rolled them up a bit too much, but these are like vintage. They're elastic top jeans, but they're vintage, like balloony style, which I really like. Got my Doc Martens, my white socks, my polka dot shirt, this brooch, that I got from AliExpress years ago. This lovely quilted jacket that I've got from my little pound shop that now no longer is open. Boo-hoo. It's called Katie. It's got my name in it, hence why I got it. But also it's very nice and warm at the moment. And that is today's outfit of the day. Good morning. I'm just on my way to work. I really need some sort of motivation. I want to get back into my bed, but I need to go to work. So I'll see you when I finish work. Oh, advent calendar, it's number 10 today. Okay, so we've got number 10. It's in a bag that my mum has made. My hands are so cold. I was so cold in work today. So cold. I think I might have to get the thermals out. Crikey, Mum, you've done this very well. What have we got inside? She's got some little acetate in there. We've got like a little gift. A gift of Rooney. Oh my word. She's having a laugh, isn't she? I did have some scissors here somewhere. Crikey. Crikey, Mother! I'm going to have to come back. Hang on a sec. I got it. I got it off. Okay. It was so tight. Let's see what we've got. It looks like cosmetics. It's called Evelyn Rose Satin Hand Cream by Crabtree and Evelyn, which is actually, well, is my mum's name, not Crabtree, obviously. She can be crabby, but she's not Crabtree. No, her name is Evelyn. So, thanks, Mum. So we're in double figures today. We are in double figures. The sun is shining, and I'm desperate for a cup of coffee. Okay, so plan of action today. There's actually nobody in the house apart from me, which is nice. I mean, my son will probably be coming back soon. Where can I put you? Because I want to make coffee. There we go. So, he'll be coming back soon. But it's my husband's 50th birthday in 11 days' time. And he is Scottish. And I thought, because he's Scottish, even though when we went to Scotland we actually didn't get any, they do this sweet called tablet, and it's basically like a toffee of sorts. It's not chewy, it's very crumbly, quite granular, I suppose you would call it, and you make it with carnation condensed milk and butter and sugar and milk. So I'm going to have my coffee, I'm going to go and get changed, and then we can cook this concoction together. I have tried making tablet in the past and it hasn't turned out, so I thought, well, while no one's here, I'll have a practice. If it works out good, then I can do that. I mean, I'm not just getting him tablet for his birthday. I am going to treat him next year, and my mum, hopefully, to it's like a skyline, not skyline, what do they call it? Zip line. It's one of the biggest, I think, either in Europe or in the world, I can't remember, but it's in Snowdonia, and you go over like all the old mining quarries and stuff like that. I cannot wait. So that's what hopefully I'm going to do for them. I was going to do it not this year, but last year, but obviously we had all of that breaking loose, and then I didn't want to book anything this year just in case I had to cancel it and go through all that rigmarole. So hopefully I can do it next year. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have this coffee, I'm going to go and get changed, and then we can make some tablet. Okay, so what have I decided to wear today? I've got this cropped jumper that's so soft and so warm. It's got puffy sleeves. I got this from the charity shop. It's a Zara. It was brand new with tags. I've got this silk shirt on, and I've just upcycled it. There's a star on the back as well. But so I've got some, like, actually, if I do, isn't it? I've got like the studs on there. So there's the studs. I've got this earring that's got like one long side and then one short side. And then back my trousers that I upcycled from that suit. So, and I've got those on because they're just nice and loose. So I might even end up, I mean, they're very high-waisted. Look how high up they go. They're all the way up there. So I don't know whether to tuck that in or just leave it out. I don't know. But anyway, I'm only in and around the house anyway. So, right then, let's go to making this tablet. Okay, so I've done that for 20 minutes, we've got it to 120 degrees C, and I've just got to let it settle down. I'll show you, you're on the tripod at the minute, but that's what it looks like at the minute. And then I have to beat it, until it's nearly set, and then put it into the buttered dish. So I hope it works, we can only see. Oh goodness me, you've got to beat it, properly beat it. So I've had to take my coat off and my jumper off and everything. So I'm just, oh, it's nearly there, it's nearly there. You've got to do it till it's like almost set. Oh, my God! Ah! Well, it certainly tastes like tablet. It certainly looks like tablet. I'll show you. Just gotta wait for it to cool down. But that's what it looks like. So, when it cools down, hopefully I can cut through it. Hopefully it's not toffee, and it is. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's toffee because we'll still eat it anyway, but hopefully it's tablet. Yum, yum. Now to do the washing up. Boring. Set nicely, so that's all in a jar ready to go. I'm going to upload this video now, so then you've got Thursday and Friday. Then tomorrow, then I'll do Saturday and Sunday Vlogmas, and I've got a video coming up on Sunday which is quite good, if I do say so myself. It's got something to do with this weekend, so if you want to see that, then please tune in. It goes live at midnight GMT time, so please pop over and check it out. I will see you at the weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!